Cheers, everybody. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I know I am. We got a new light sent to us to do an unboxing review on, and it is from Vivosun. At first glance, everything in this box is very professionally packed. No room for error. Doesn't look like, they just threw it in a box and shipped it to you. It is very well packed and professionally done. Came with a pair of glasses. We got some, what else is this? We got some ratchet hangers. And these are pretty heavy duty. They're pretty nice looking ratchet hangers. Yeah. Then it came with, obviously, a power cord. Must be in this box. Oh, and it looks like hangers or brackets. So from what I'm seeing right now, these just click right into the 4 knobs on each corner. That should definitely help keep the light nice and stable. Pulling it out of the box, and what do we see? All right. First glance, light looks very well designed. It is very narrow, a shallow light, so you should be able to get this right at the top of your tent. We'll see. I'll get it hung, and we'll see how much room it takes up there. But my guess is you can get it within 6 to 10 inches from the top of your tent. The light is very well built. Nice, sleek design. Yeah, it's definitely very professional. Can't complain. This is a 100-watt light, I believe. And it's got a dimmer on it. So the nice thing about the dimmer on this light is you should be able to use it for a clone or seedling light, all the way up through veg. Depending on the size of your tent, you could even probably flower with this tent or with this light. I wouldn't flower anything bigger than a 2x2 out of this probably, but I haven't got into it and checked out the par map or anything like that, so yeah. But yeah, like I said, the ratchets are pretty nice ratchets. The light is built very nicely. Very professional, looks great, and yeah, I got no complaints. This is a pretty decent light for $100. The big seller on it is the dimmer. It just allows you to do a lot more with it. Like I said, you can use this light to do clones, seedlings, whatever the case. It dims all the way down to 25%, so it's got a 100%, 75%, 50%, 25% off. So you should, like I said, you should be able to right size tent. You should be able to start to finish with this light, no problem. And yeah, looks like we get about 3 inches from the top of the tent without the ratchet hangers. These cool little brackets on this light are designed to actually sit right on the pole like that, so you can throw the ratchet hangers on it to lower it down closer to the plants, and then for flower you can get it right up to the top of the tent. So I definitely like that. Hope you guys all enjoyed the video. If you're interested in checking this light out, it is made by Vivosun. I will get the link in the description, and I hope you all have a fantastic day.